Are you having difficulty using your TV headphones? Here are some of the reasons why this is happening, and how to fix them. Please note that this video is for Avantree TV headphones such as the Ensemble, Opera, Medley, and more. However, following these steps may also solve the issue on other brands' TV headphones. Most wireless TV headphones consist of a wireless transmitter base and a pair of headphones. The transmitter and the headphones are pre-connected. The base is connected to the TV with an audio cable and wirelessly transmits the audio signal to the headphones. If they are not working properly, there are normally two main things you'll need to check. 1. The transmitter and headphones are not connected. 2. No valid audio signal received by the transmitter. Let's check these one by one. 1. The transmitter and the headphones are not properly connected. Avantree TV headphones and their transmitters indicate successful connection with a solid blue or white light on both devices. If the lights are off or flashing, turn both devices off and turn them back on again. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds for them to connect. You may want to turn off your smart TV to avoid interference during this process. If this doesn't help, then you might need to pair them again. Place both devices into pairing mode and wait for 10 seconds. They should connect and their lights will turn solid blue or white. If you're not sure how to put them into pairing mode, please check the device's user guide. Some smart TVs, such as Samsung or LG TVs, will try to connect to any Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. If your TV asks whether you want to connect to your Avantree headphones, you need to deny it. The headphones will connect directly to your TV, which will block it from connecting to the transmitter. If you accidentally accepted the connection by mistake, simply go to your TV settings and remove Avantree device from the list. 2. Transmitter does not receive valid audio signal. The second reason you could be getting no sound is that your transmitter is not receiving valid audio signal from the TV. The transmitter's LED indicators may flash to indicate this. To fix it, you'll need to check the following. The audio cable connecting the TV to the transmitter is inserted into the right port. Ensure your audio cable is plugged into your TV's audio out port and into your transmitter's input from TV port. Check your transmitter to see if it has an input mode switch, and make sure that it is set to the correct input mode. For optical or Toslink users, you'll need to set your TV audio output to optical and audio format to PCM or stereo. Please do not put the audio format as auto. If you connect via RCA or AUX, you may want to check that your TV's ports are outputting audio. You can do this by connecting the AUX cable to your Avantree headphones AUX port and plugging it into your TV's AUX port. If you don't hear anything, it means your TV's ports may not be functioning properly. Everything is configured properly. Double check that all the cables are well connected and in working condition. Unplugging and replugging them back in can help sometimes. If your TV connects to a soundbar via an HDMI ARC port, you might lose sound from your optical output. You can either connect the transmitter to the TV using an audio extractor like the Avantree HAX 05. Some smart TVs may automatically update and reset their audio settings. If this happens, double-check the previous steps and make any necessary fixes. These are some basics to solve your TV headphones no sound problem. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. If you still cannot fix the problem, please book a call with us at support.avantree.com and we'll help you through the process. Thanks for watching.